tell you something. Si Richard is the first person na nagturo sa Pilipinas sa lahat ng mga leaders kung paano mag-buy and sell ng ano ng USDT, paano magpadala sa ano sa company.
Yeah.
Pa, yeah, let me just mute everyone. Alam po. Kaya, I'm gonna mute everyone. May happy people sa loob, makanta. Okay. So, yeah, so actually, sila ni Lani at ni Richard, especially si Lani sa marketing nagsimula, but si Richard ay nasa technical. So silang dalawa, they work together as a team, husband and wife. And, the reason why marami ng mga tao na marunong. Pero, like I said, si Richard is also always willing to help lahat ng mga tao na kailangan ng tulong. In fact, kahit na hindi niya tao, pag ina-ask ko sila sa ibang group, magturo, they always come and see Richard, and Richard also willing to help. And also, Lani is also willing to do presentation kahit hindi niya grupo. So, Richard and Lani has always been, available sa mga tao if they need help, even though their cruise line, upline. Actually, sila po nagtuturo sa mga upline nila. Mga upline nila nagde-depend sa kanila. Teaching them how to do so. It's been like that for a while. Richard, he's always available to everyone na kailangan ng tulong. Okay, so sometimes people just take it for granted because for some other reason, but I'm really appreciate Richard and Lani for always being there kahit kanino. So kayo mga leaders kayo dito, don't feel free to reach out to Richard if you guys need help or it comes to technical. Si Lani, it comes to compensation plan, it comes to business presentation. She's very, very good. That's the reason why they're number one. She's number one in the Philippines. Kaya lang, like I said, they are there if you guys need them. You can reach out to them. We can have this kind of Zoom once in a while. So, pinag-usapan namin nila ni Sir Ben, sila ni Joby, maybe some other people. Kasi Ate Dali, Ate Priscilla, Ate Yolanda, maybe they can also participate later on sa training. Okay, so we will have training. I'm willing to give out my my Zoom for you guys to borrow. You can use it if you want to do one-on-one on your people, or you wanna. I trust you guys, so I'm gonna give you my email number, my account number. You can use it to, and the only thing that I think you need when you do your own presentation, you need my I think they send me if somebody's doing it in their computer, they need some me to verify it. Right, Ati Dali? It happens to you, right? Yeah, so mm, mm, hindi. So okay ka na without me, ate? Okay na? Mm, mm. Ah, oo. So ay okay ka na ngayon? You can use it? Okay. So, okay. So kung may gustong gumamit, just let me know ahead of time like, Mama Laura, I wanna use your stuff in like certain time, anong oras, and then, I can just I think they email me and then I just have to confirm na may gumagamit. Sabi nila, okay, okay, good, very good. Sige. So I'm gonna give the host to, I think most of you guys already download yung sinasabi ni Richard na ano niya, download niyo na. Okay. So I'm gonna
Not
make Richard.
yet, Miss Lori, not yet, because we really want to know exactly what is Binance, and then tell
Wow.
us a step-by-step process of downloading. Kasi may mga questions ako. I tried
Okay,
it.
so no problem. So Richard will, I don't know if you guys can do it while Richard is talking. I don't know.
Mhm.
Okay. So, okay.
Oo, bigyan lang kami ng step-by-step
Okay.
regarding
Yeah.
that. Thank
And then
you.
you're welcome, and we're gonna have more leaders like training, like mga technical. Maybe we do it once or every twice a month, and then we're gonna have some other leaders also stepping up. Magdudo ng Zoom. So para lahat tayo, marami tayong mga Zoom. So if somebody has Zoom, pwede ka mag-attend doon. Somebody has Zoom, pwede ka mag-attend doon. So we're gonna start doing that. Kung sinong willing mag-participate so far, si Joby, si Lani, si Richard, at saka si Serben are willing to do it. So kung komportable na kayo, you can tell me and then I can put you also on schedule. Okay? So Richard,
Okay.
is you are now the host. Do you wanna, I don't know if you can,
So,
screen,
ang first topic natin, ma'am, is how to download Binance.
okay?
So, nag-ano na po siya, nag-post siya sa GC. So, siguro pwede nyo i-review. So, kung may question kayo, pwede nyo i-ask ang question si Richard.
Saan GC
So
nga
I
yun?
have a question. I have a
Binance
question.
is the most friendly
Oh.
user. Kasi sa Binance po, we use Binance to pay share in USDT, and we also use Binance kapag nagwi-withdraw po kami sa share. And sa
nag-commission.
Binance po, yes, sa Binance po, madali po ang kung gusto nyong i-withdraw sa peso, yung share commission nyo, madali lang po. Meron po doong tinatawag na peer-to-peer. So later on na lang po namin ituturo sa inyo, ituturo ni Richard sa inyo yon. Kung paano po
question lang.
From user account commission going to your bank.
Okay. Lan, question lang. Kasi in the process of downloading, nandito na rin lang tayo sa downloading, may question doon, add GCash. What does that mean?
Oh, payment.
Okay, maybe Richard can answer.
Oh, sige. Sige, okay, let's kwan na lang. Okay. Start na
wala
lang.
pa yung
Present na lang siya. Thank you.
Hindi pa natin
And if we
gagamitin
can do-
muna yung GCash doon. Wala pa. Kapag nag-ano lang kayo, nag-buy and sell na kayo ng crypto, tsaka nyo i-add yung GCash nyo or bank account. Sa ngayon, wala pa muna kinalaman yung GCash. Skip lang muna yun.
Skip lang pagka doon sa downloading. Walang
Opo.
walang pipiliin doon.
Wala
Okay.
po.
Sige,
Binance
thank you.
lang.
Yan, step by step downloading para maliwanag. Kasi
Opo.
alam mo, I'm a newbie here. I mean, I must admit, talagang
yeah.
parang kinder ako dito sa Binance na yan.
No, it's
Okay.
it's okay, ate. We all, most of the people, talagang ganun talaga, just like you. Parang baby tayo, baby.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Richard, do you mind?
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
step by step. So hindi ko lang, maganda sana kung ano sana yung when people are ready, like while Richard is talking, you are downloading. You think that's possible?
Ma'am,
But if you can share. Can we
May I
share
suggest
yung
po?
screen sa downloading?
Opo, nakapost na po sa GC natin, sa GC.
Oh,
Step by step.
nakita ko na. Nag-start na ako ng downloading pero kasi may mga ibang information tinigil ko dahil medyo I was hesitant. So, kailangan ko muna tong training na to.
So
Opo.
let's ano na lang, ganito na lang. Kasi can we just Richard, do you mind just telling like the first step, like what to do, what is Binance, and then you go to Binance.com step by step.
Sa,
Sir Rich, suggestion po,
Yeah, yeah,
please share your screen, the GC po, na sinend nyo po na picture. Pakita nyo lang po, sir, dito para po mas makita po nila, ma-visualize nila kung anong klase. Thank you so much, sir.
sa,
Hindi siya marunong mag-share.
Okay, let me see.
Okay.
Let me see if I can download it. 1 second, okay? I'm downloading it right now to my
Okay.
let me see
Thanks, Ma'am Laura.
if I can
Ayun.
download it. I'll share it.
There, we can see
Ayan,
now.
ayan na po.
There you
ayan na
go.
po.
Na-share na niya. There you go.
sa
Okay.
Play Store lang po, sa Play Store.
Play
Or
Store.
Play Store or App Store.
Okay.
Ayan.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. We're going there. We're going there right now.
Okay.
Sige, Play Store.
And click Binance.
And then we click Binance, Play Store.
Oh.
Okay. And then,
Yeah,
nakalagay
click nyo lang
dito
po yung-
Binance, BTC,
Oh,
Crypto, yun.
yeah, po.
Okay.
Download nyo lang.
So Richard, what you do? Click Binance.com.
Sa App Store po, walang ganun eh.
Walang.
Basta,
Okay.
hanapin
Yeah,
nyo lang
Richard,
yung
I
Binance.
stopped kasi nandun ako sa verify identity. So,
Okay.
Maski sa Play
Na-download
Store,
nyo na.
lagay na ako ng
Maski
mga,
sa Play Store, hindi nga ako marunong magpunta eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan papunta.
yan yun.
Okay. So, na-download nyo na, ma'am? Ibig sabihin, na-download nyo na kasi nasa,
Verify na eh. Oo.
nag-ano
Ano
na
bang
kayo.
ibig sabihin? Richard, ano bang ibig sabihin ng KYC verification? Complete your
Yeah,
KYC.
Know your client, para, ano eh.
Know your
identity
client.
po, ma'am. Yeah.
Know your customer.
Verified identity.
Know
Okay.
your customer.
Know your customers, ate.
Okay.
This is your own verification.
Okay, okay. Yung iba, hindi pa alam kung paano pumunta sa Play Store. So can you teach
That's true, that's true.
Yolanda? Can you teach Yolanda, Richard, how to go to the Play Store? Yan,
Oh.
sa cellphone. Yoli sa cellphone.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in my cell phone also.
Okay.
Yung-
Search mo kaya yung Google mo yung Play Store.
Yeah, nandito ako sa Play Store but I cannot see yung
Binance.
Binance. Ano ba itong
i-search
binary
niyo po.
and
I-search niyo
homework?
po.
Sa search bar.
I-search niyo po yung Binance. Ate Yolanda.
I-search pa.
Opo.
I-search
Para po makita niyo yung logo ng Binance. Then pag nakita niyo po yun, i-click niyo po, then download. Install.
Pwede rin ba yan sa laptop?
Oh yeah,
Pwede rin
of
po.
course.
Oh my
Hey,
God. Maski pag-search, hindi nga ako. Paano ba mag-search dito?
alam
Oh my
mo,
God.
alam
It's
Alam
good
mo-
that it's good na may
Uppermost.
dalawa akong nakasali ngayon na they already downloaded their Binance. Mga bata pa ito eh. They are
Okay.
Renz and Kin. They're
Okay,
online
ate,
now.
magpaturo po kayo sa kanila mag-download ng Binance.
Opo,
Opo.
sige po. Maski pag hindi ako makahabol dito, sila na bahala magturo sa akin. At the same time, recorded naman ito ni Ma'am Dali eh.
Opo, opo.
Okay. Sige.
Click nyo lang po
Basta
yung
silang
may-
dalawa, nakatutok sila dito ngayon.
Okay.
So they are
Okay.
online now. Si
Okay,
Kin at saka si Renz.
we need young blood po, Ate Yolanda.
Opo, talaga grabe. Oo, Diyos ko.
I understand. But you know, I had to say something, guys. I just want to tell you guys, Ate Yolanda, Ate Dali, Ate Priscilla, I'm so proud of you guys because you know why? You are willing to learn. That's a different about people who doesn't want to learn. You guys are
Yes.
really, really, taking your time to learn and everything. Alam nyo ba? I tell you, I'm sorry to be out of the topic for a minute. Do you know that I have a lot of friends, older people, retired nurses? I tell you, it doesn't matter how much I teach them. Ako gumawa ng kanilang ng Coinbase sa kami Bitcoin mining. Ako gumawa ng ng kanilang coin isa dito sa America, Coinbase, parang Binance. Akong gumawa. Tapos every month, every time they withdraw Bitcoin, they come to my house. Every time they sell Bitcoin, they come to my house. Kahit anong turo ko for 2.5 years, I'm telling you. So I have time to give you guys credit. That's the reason why I'm being honest. Some
Oh
of
my
my
God.
friends are older and they want to join a business in your share, and I said no, it's not for you. Just because
Okay. Okay, help.
Richard. So I'm just saying that Ate Priscilla, you guys are really good. I really
Yeah.
applaud you. I'm really proud of you because you take time and you take initiative to really learn. So I'm
We're
really
serious.
Ma'am
We're
Yolanda,
serious in the business.
Yolanda.
That's
Yes po.
why.
Yes po. Go ahead po, Sir
Ah.
Bien.
huwag kayong pahahalata na mapag-iiwanan tayo sa train.
Ay, hindi.
Kaya
Bien,
nga, alam
Bien.
mo
Kaya
yan.
nga, Sir Bien.
Kailangan
Bien,
Bien, meron ako
maganda-
dalawang ready dyan
advisor.
na backup. Kasi
Bien,
alam ko
maganda
talaga
yung
na
honest.
You need
hindi
backup.
ako hindi ako
So you
makasunod.
know this is so true, right? So after 2.5 years of teaching them and they don't want to do it, do you know I hired somebody to teach them because I can't do it anymore. So I hired somebody,
Okay.
young people. So I'm just telling you that I'm proud of you guys.
It's
Ate
normal,
Yolanda,
right? Hey,
Ate
it's
Yolanda, you don't have
normal.
nothing to be ashamed if you don't know it or anything. Mr. Bim is just kidding.
Nagpapanik.
But you
Actually,
know,
Ma'am Lori, nagpapanik na ako dito, but
no, don't
ang
do it.
isip ko, I have my backup. I have my
Oo
2
naman.
backup now.
Yeah. Yes,
Good
yeah.
for you, Yolanda.
Yes. So
Okay.
let's have Richard do it. But like I said, if you're not so sure, si Ate Yolanda, you have somebody can back you up and teach you.
Mm-mm.
And we can even do this couple times until for
Yeah.
new people, until everybody master it. Believe me, I'm gonna tell you something honestly, okay? When I first yung sabi nila na if you sell your Bitcoin or you move your Bitcoin, you made one move, wrong move, you lose your Bitcoin. I was terrified. I don't want to do it by myself. I'm being honest. So I said, no, I don't want to sell it. First time I want to sell it, I want to make sure somebody's standing behind me. I'm doing it right. But after like you eat 1, 2 times, 3 times, and if you become comfortable, then you're okay. But this is something new to all of us. We're technical challenge, and but don't worry, you'll be fine. Once you do it once, twice, 3 times, you'll be good, and it's become
Yeah,
like normal. Mm.
Miss Lori, talaga, it will be good to structure our training, especially itong technical training. Kasi ito yung talagang weakness namin. But
Yeah.
Richard, help. Andito na ako sa document verification.
Mhm.
Oh,
Very
yeah.
good.
So, what do we do now? Sabi dito, take pictures, upload photos. Kasi ang clinic ko passport eh. So what do I do? Take pictures. Anong kukunin ko na litrato?
Yung passport, identity verification po yan, di ba?
So I will take a picture of my passport.
Yes po.
Okay,
Sasabit
and
na lang
then I will upload it here.
Yes.
Oh, yung kwan lang. O sige, I'll do that right now, ha? Okay, sige. Actual. Yoli, habol ka.
Make sure
Hindi
po
pa nga ako
malinaw ha.
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung Binance dito. Sinesearch ko kanina pa. Oh my God.
Sana yung iba nakaka-catch
Make
up
sure po
din.
malinaw po yung picture na na-submit ninyo.
Okay.
Readable.
Can I just use my phone to take that picture? Yung sa aking passport. I'll get my passport. I'll take
Yes po.
To use your cell phone at Priscilla, it's better.
Yeah, the
Make
cell
sure
phone.
po malinaw ang
I'm using the
pagka-picture
cell
nyo.
phone.
Para
Yes.
Kasi
hindi
I'm using the laptop for the Zoom. Okay. Let me do
Okay.
that right now. Na ano na dito nakakatawa. This is
Five-
really fun. This is fun.
Ah. Pag
Enjoy lang po
pag-
natin. Enjoy lang.
kapag readable po at malinaw yung nasubmit yung picture, mga 5 to 10 minutes approve na yung verification.
Ah, ganon.
Verified.
Okay.
Hindi na abot
Pagka-
ng 24.
O sige. I'll take a picture now. And let's see kung successful ako.
Okay. Sige.
Pag natuto na itong mga to,
Wala na akong problema. So nothing,
unstoppable na yung mga yan.
yeah. Alam nyo ba na nothing that you can learn everything. I'm telling you. I'm just like you
Yes.
on technical challenge.
Yeah.
When I joined Bitcoin mining, I have no clue. But I learned
Oh.
everything. And I'm just like you. I was terrified the first time. I don't want to move the money without somebody watching me in the back. But after I did it twice, it's okay.
Matagal na namin itong nire-request kasi ni Yoli itong training na
Ah.
ito.
Yeah.
Buti na lang at nag-respond naman si Miss
But-
Lani.
But this is the right time because I have two backup now. Before I only have one.
Okay, good, very good.
Nabuntis siya. So I have two guys here, very young.
That's what I
mga
did.
fresh.
That's why I told my friend, the older people that kept coming to me every month. I told them, next time I teach you, I want to make sure your grandchildren is there or your children is there. I don't want to do it without them. Very challenging. But go ahead.
Yeah, in fact yung aking backup nagbigay na sa akin ng link kung ano daw ang steps.
Oh, very
Oh,
good.
Anyway,
good for you.
I can still basta bahala na kung matapos
Well,
man ito
well,
na.
Very good, Ate. You have a backup. While Ate Priscilla is doing her pictures, I have something to share with
Taking a picture now.
you. Good, very good, Ate.
O yan talaga si Mrs. Black, ano talaga yan, medyo techie pa yan eh.
So once we you know, I have also to say that Ate Dale, she's also very good. Look, she's doing such a great job doing YouTube. You know, not that many people
Recording,
can do it.
yeah.
I don't even know how to do it, but she does a good job. You know, so she's also a talent. She's a little bit tricky also. She Ate Dale. Like I said, we all can learn. Believe me, just step by step you learn slowly. Nang nasa Bitcoin mining ako, I have no choice. I'm not technical savvy. I'm not computer savvy, but I have no choice because everybody look up to me. So I have to learn. Even it's also not easy for me. I learned so that I can teach people. So we can do it also slowly. You know, we use it one. Mhm. Mm. Mm. Yeah, then you can teach. You can teach others. Mm. Di ba? Yeah. Mm. Yeah.
Excuse me, Richard. Richard,
ma'am.
doon sa passport, kailangan ba mailagay yung signature ko doon sa picture? Is it the whole
Hindi
page
ma'am,
or
yung front page lang, ng passport
yung
niya.
pan lang, yung picture ko, no? Yung sa may ID, no? Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Sige, just proceed with your conversations while I'm doing this.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Yung iba gawin din, please download the
Yeah.
Binance Play
Let's do
Store.
it. Let's
Yeah.
Ang importante yung part lang na hindi kayo maligaw. Yung i-click nyo lang sa Binance yung dalawa dyan, yung left and right nasa pinakababa. Yung home at saka yung wallet.
Ayan, yan dalawang may
Yung
bilog.
yung may circle, yung pinakababa.
May
Kasi
circle.
dito sa home, nandyan yung pag-change ng password, saka yung pagko-connect sa Google Authenticator. Dito naman sa wallet, dito yung withdraw and deposit. Pag-transfer ng USDT.
so lahat ba kayo dito sa si Ate Dali meron na siya Binance. I know si Sir Ben meron na din Si Sir Ben meron ng Binance. Alam ko si Joby meron na rin. So sino pa dito ang wala na maybe you can follow si Ate Priscilla, Ma'am Priscilla, how to do it. Anybody here na also, so anybody here, meron kayong dito? Binance na? Lahat, meron na? Ang walang iba,
Yung isang guest ko,
Ate sorry. Ating Ate Bing is here, Ate Bing?
Yes, actually, my two assistants, yung mga millennials, are very well versed on how to
very good.
download.
So,
Actually, my
si David
problem now,
Jackson is yours, right?
Ma'am
Ate Bing?
Lori, ang problem po now, Ma'am Lori, is where to find my commission in the dashboard and how to transfer it to Binance.
Okay. I'll share it to you in a minute after this, Ate Bing. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
thank
can do
you.
it. So I'm good. You have your assistant here. I think it's David.
Yeah.
Andito ba si
Nandiyan
Emerald?
David and Emerald and David are attending right now.
Oh, very good.
They're here.
So
Yes,
Emerald
ma'am, I'm
must be
here.
Ermi? Is that Ermi?
No, ma'am. I'm using my husband, David
okay.
Hoxon.
So I'm so glad that you guys are here. Then
I'm here.
tulungan niyo. Okay. Yeah. So I'm really proud of you guys. I think we're getting getting more and more people. Marami pa ng tao ngayon na natututo na. No, I'm so proud of Joby, Sir Ben, kasi they're also taking care of their people. They're doing so slowly madaming ating mga leaders na natututo na rin. Si Ate Dali marunong na rin. So dumadami na rin. And then we're gonna have more some every week, with or without me. Sometimes if I travel, pwede kayong magkaroon ng Zoom meeting para sa training, compensation plan. Magpalit kayo training tulad ng ganito, because more and more people na matututo. Talaga totoo yung sinasabi nila na the more people know what to do, the more people they know sa technical, they're gonna have more confidence. So ayan si Ate Marilyn. Ate Marilyn, meron ka na rin Binance? You're using it? Ate Marilyn? Oo. Oh yeah. Let me unmute everyone. Yeah, so she's texting.
Nasa na ako, liveness check.
Okay.
Nag-upload na ako ng yung passport. So it's now undergoing the what you call this liveness check. LIVENESS. Liveness. And then may
Ate
mga
Marilyn,
check.
if you wanna talk, you can unmute yourself, ate.
Under review siya.
Going.
Narinig nyo na ako, ma'am?
Yeah, now.
Waiting po yan, waiting.
Now.
Waiting na ako, no?
Thank you, Ate Marilyn.
Waiting for approval.
waiting for approval. Hindi ko pa nga na. This is so funny, but whatever. Basta lang makapasok dito sa Binance.
So Richard, how long does it take to approve? Sometimes, like Coinbase, it takes
Oh.
sometimes couple hours.
Hindi,
yeah?
ito ma'am, sa Binance, ano lang, 5 to 10 minutes lang pag
Wow.
ma-readable yung sinubmit na picture.
Well,
Wow.
I tried my best to take a really good picture of my passport.
So that's good. That sa Coinbase, sometimes it takes couple hours sa amin. Sometimes mabilis din naman. Depende.
So we're in the world of cryptocurrency, no, Richard? So just
Yes,
give
ma'am.
us a little backgrounder. Bakit Binance? Bakit hindi Coin or whatever? Bakit hindi others?
Kasi user-friendly.
Other platforms?
User-friendly ang Binance. And mababa yung charge ng transaction fee.
Sino
Fee
ba
for
ang
transaction.
nito? Sino bang nag-create ng Binance? Who developed this?
China ate. Priscilla, China.
China.
Mm.
Oops.
So I think China is I think Ate Dali, if I'm right, I think Binance is the #1 exchange in the world, or Coinbase. Say sa US Coinbase, but I don't know which one.
Yeah. Sa Asia
Alam mo
po,
sila.
sa Asia po, #1 ang Binance.
Yeah, sa Asia. Sa Asia po, Ate
Kasi
Priscilla.
kasi po ang Binance, madali po natin ma-liquidate yung commission natin from UShare going to our bank. Madali. May peer-to-peer.
Okay.
So,
So ang sinasabi mo, Jovi, is it Jovi? Ang sinasabi mo, itong Binance, lalagay natin doon sa ating dashboard.
Sa UShare, yung
Sa UShare, and then
is
yung
our wallet
USDT wallet address.
ilalagay
address
natin
lang,
doon
ma'am.
para
Wallet
at
address
least,
lang po.
para at least makita ko na kung may commission na ako.
Oo.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Itong nasa share screen, ma'am. Ito nasa share screen. Ganyan yung process kung
itong
paano
wallet
natin
ate.
ilalagay.
Kita mo yung
saan?
wallet ate. I-copy paste
saan
mo
yun?
yan. Itong wallet
I-click
ito
mo itong
nakalagay.
wallet, then funding, then ayan yung deposit. Pag na-click
Yun,
mo yung
yung
deposit,
funding. Yun
Then
nakalagay,
deposit.
funding.
then click nyo yung deposit. Ayan, wallet mo na, then click nyo yung funding, tapos click nyo yung deposit.
Click mo na yung wallet,
click-
and then click yung funding, and then i-click yung deposit. Okay, yung
Yes.
mga ganyan na step by step, wow, kailangan natin yan.
Ayan.
yes, step by step.
Pag na-click
Ano-
nyo yung
ano ka na,
deposit,
ate?
And I really appreciate na si Lan nagsabi sa akin na you can be trained on this. I really appreciate that. Na nag-reach out din naman si Lan sa akin regarding this. Kasi talaga naloloka na kami talaga, Miss Rory, sa totoo lang, naloloka na kami ni Yolanda.
At ate, I'm just telling you, okay? Si Lani and Richard always there to help you guys out. Kaso
Okay.
lang, minsan na misunderstood sa mga ibang leaders. Sabi lang, stay away from my people. Kaya sila ni Lani and Richard, they are there for you guys if you need it. You know?
Kasi
So,
if this is the case pala, Miss Lori, ang dami na dito, like Jovi has this USDT, si
Yeah.
Dali has this USDT na Binance na nandun na. They did not tell us what to do.
bibig ko ka nangangapa din sila.
Okay, you tell us now, Dali. Mm-hmm.
Ate Dali, verified na ba yung account mo? Verified na? Ano ka po ba sa ushare support? Sa usharesupport.com?
Oh,
So
ay,
may answer po sila doon. Kung ano yung ipapagawa nila sa iyo, yun lang po yung kulang para ma-release nila yung payout mo. Tingnan niyo po yung sinasabi ng support, na doon po yung sagot, yun yung sasabihin nila sa inyo why you are not receiving your payout. Opo. Support, yes. Kayo lang, ikaw lang ang makakapag-open nun eh.
So mamaya mag-ano tayo ha? Ipakita ko sa iyo kung paano mag-create ng user, ano?
Yeah. Maybe we can, while waiting for this verification thing here, baka Richard, pwede na sigurong ipakita kung paano natin i-transfer yung ating Binance doon sa dashboard.
okay.
Yeah.
Yung
Can you show us a step by step?
Yung
Kasi
pinakita niya,
pag na-verify na sa akin,
Ate
successful
Priscilla,
na to, no?
yung pinakita sa iyo kanina na wallet, i-click mo yung wallet na
Ayun
yan.
yun.
Tapos
Pinakita
click
ko po sa inyo kanina na wallet.
Okay, okay.
Click niyo muna
Is
yung
this
wallet.
our dashboard?
Funding.
Is this our
Yan.
dashboard?
So, ito na.
Dashboard
Ito na
na
dashboard,
Binance
oh.
po ito, Binance.
Ah,
Binance na, ano?
Ito yung
Finance
nakalagay
kayo.
niya ate, oh. Ito yung sinasabi ni Richard, i-click mo ang wallet, i-click mo ang funding, tapos i-click mo ang deposit.
Deposit.
Yung circle na ito, ate. Wallet,
yan.
funding, at saka
Wallet,
deposit.
funding, and then
Deposit.
deposit. Okay.
Yes.
And then, lalabas na yung Binance ko dyan?
Wallet mo.
Lalabas po yung kung ano, yung choices kung anong i-deposit nyo. Nakalagay doon USDT, BNB, kung ano, Bitcoin, ano. Piliin nyo yung USDT.
Yung USDT yung i-click ko. Okay.
Yes,
Supposing
USDT.
na-click na namin yung USDT. Okay, what happens next?
Lilitaw doon yung choices kung anong bridge yung gagamitin nyo, kung TRC20 or Polygon. Ang sinuggest ni Stefano, Polygon. Piliin nyo yung Polygon. Yeah, USDT Polygon.
USDT Polygon. Okay, at least ito
Yes.
recorded, no? I can always go back to this. Okay. And then after clicking USDT Polygon, what's next?
Yeah, copy the wallet address. Okay, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-copy ng wallet.
Okay. Uy, matagal ang verification, ha?
Sometimes ate, ganyan talaga.
Taking time.
Dito couple hours pa nga minsan eh.
Oh, really? Oh.
Pero sa Binance po, hindi maabot ng hour. Mga ano lang, minutes lang.
So, nasa kalahati pa lang eh.
So habang nag-uusap tayo, ate, we waited until by the time matapos tayo, baka matapos na rin yung lalabas ng Binance nyo. Then we can go back again how to do wallet, and then funding, and then deposit.
Yeah. Yes. That is really, really good. And then can we schedule this on a regular basis, Ms. Lori? Like, can we structure only technical training and then
of course,
compensation training?
Yan ma'am, pinakita ko lang sa screen. Yung maliit na circle.
Eto,
I-click nyo lang yung box.
Polygon.
Yung box na yun, yung small box. Yung small box sa loob ng small circle na red.
This one, itong QR code.
Yeah.
What will I do with the QR code?
I-copy nyo lang po itong wallet address. Itong nilagyan ko ng circle, itong nilagyan ko ng circle na maliit na circle na red. Sa gitna.
Okay.
So ate, okay, recap ate. Papiliin ka, sabi ni Richard, tulad ng TRC20 or click mo ang Polygon POS. Itong may circle na Polygon POS. Yan ang click mo instead na TRC20. Tapos pagkatapos maklik yan ate, itong circle ito kung saan yung wallet address mo, itong i-copy paste mo. Nakita mo yung ano ate? Nakita mo yung parang ito sa gitna? Right?
Yes, this one, itong maliit na okay.
Yeah,
so yung
small
circle,
box sa gitna.
Yan ang small box na natin, i-click mo. Magka-copy yan.
Okay.
Tapos pag na-copy na yan, ate, if you're opening your user sa cellphone mo, okay, para ma-clear up, no? Let's say, ate, if you doing this, i-copy paste mo, there's kailangan pinaka the best ata siguro kasi hindi ka pwede mag-copy paste natin sa cellphone ka tapos sa computer ka. You have to use only one, either you're in the computer or you are in your cell phone. So let's say kung nasa computer ka ngayon, ate, are you doing your computer or you're using it cell phone? Computer ba o cellphone?
Both cell phone and laptop.
So where did you open your Binance? Sa
Dito sa cellphone.
Okay. So it's easy. So i-click mo lang yung pag na-approve ka na, punta ka sa Polygon PS, and then i-click, hindi ba una-una sabi ni Richard, wallet, and then funding, and then deposit. So ngayon, magmamili ka TRC20 or Polygon POS. So click mo Polygon POS. Pag na-click mo na yun, lalabas kasi andiyan ang wallet address mo, nakikita mo na. So itong box na ito, i-click mo para mag-copy. Pag-copy na, punta ka sa user, mag-open ka ng user.marketing, tapos i-open mo yung wallet address mo, ipakita ko sa iyo kung saan ka pupunta. Okay? So,
so ang gagamitin ko yung aking cellphone kasi nandito na yung Binance, no?
Yeah.
So I will have to open my dashboard dito sa aking cellphone.
Yeah, you can do it, ate. You can do it. Okay? Ito, pinaka-ni-insert yung dashboard niya, andyan na, ate.
Pag na-copy nyo na yun, ma'am, pupunta na kayo sa user. Ayan, click nyo yung profile, then payments.
Yeah. Profile, ate, and then payments.
Okay. Wala pa, andito pa ako sa liveness check eh. Tagal
It's okay, ate. After this, I can show you also my back office para alam nyo na. I can do it. Yung ginagawa ni Richard, tama yung profile at saka wallet pro kung gusto mo i-open ko just to make sure.
Thank you.
Profile and payments.
Yun ang payments. Yun ang pinakalas na tuturo ni Richard. At saka ngayon ang next na tuturo ni Richard, yung ang pinaka-importante, how to buy USDT and how to
pay. Yes.
Is that possible for you to do it, Richard, right now? Teach them?
Pwede sana, ma'am, live na masusundan nila eh.
Live, yan ang problema.
Yan. Pag na-copy, na-click nyo na yung profile and payments, ito na po yung kasunod. Ilagay nyo na doon yung kinapin nyo ng wallet address. Doon sa may check na kulay green. Tapos dudugtungan nyo siya ng USDT Polygon para alam ng user kung anong klaseng USDT ang papadala sa iyo. Kasi may USDT TRC20. Kaya ilalagay nyo doon sa dulo ng wallet. Idudugtong nyo USDT Polygon. Ayun, nilagyan ko.
So pag na-copy-paste na yung wallet address, pupunta sa user account. I-open natin yung ating user account. Then pupunta tayo dito sa profile at payment, ika-copy-paste. Yung kinopy-paste natin na wallet address, dito natin ika-copy-paste dun sa may check na green. Then duduktungan po natin ng USDT Polygon. Okay?
Ayan, lagyan nyo na ng
I-encode yun. I-encode natin yung US Polygon.
Ilalagay ng
Polygon.
Yeah.
That is
USDT
something
Polygon.
that kailangan natin, you have to do it manually. Isusulat mo.
I-type mo po lang. I-type. Dudugtong nyo doon sa wallet. Lagyan nyo muna ng space. Ilalagyan nyo muna ng space para hindi nakadikit doon sa wallet.
So, Ate Priscilla, maybe we will ask Richard or to do it like maybe once a month so that you guys can familiarize mga bagong tao hanggang masanay, no? And everybody has their own Binance. Tsaka kung paano magbayad para wala ng problema.
We can do it, we can do it, ma'am, face by face. Kung ganito siya, we can do it face by face.
Kailangan lang naka-ready yung Binance nyo na. Verified na.
So,
kung bibili kung bibili po kayo ng yes, ma'am.
Hindi ba yung
wala Kung
Go ahead,
halimbawa po wala pang laman yung Binance nyo at bibili kayo ng USDT, kailangan may laman yung bank account nyo or GCash ninyo na pambayad sa pambili ng USDT na nakapangalan din po sa inyo na nakalink dyan sa
Ah.
Binance nyo.
Oh, so kailangan
Hindi po
talaga
pwedeng-
i-add yung
Ate
Opo.
Priscilla,
Ah,
pag matapos
So-
na yung account nyo, kailangan i-add nyo yung GCash nyo or bank account nyo. Kasi
Ah,
doon kayo,
okay.
doon kayo kumukuha ng funding. At saka
Okay,
at the same time, pag binigay nyo sa company, ang company doon ipapadala ang pera sa account number nyo. O sa Binance, tapos kayo na mag-move ang pera nyo sa bangko nyo.
You think yung aking mga paano kung hindi ako nag-apply ng online banking? Hindi yan consistent with this.
May GCash ka.
yeah.
Yung GCash meron
GCash po
ako.
pwede. Pwede po sa
pwede.
GCash.
Oo, kasi
GCash
pag hindi
pwede.
online,
Pero Sir Richard, any bank ba ito?
Oo naman.
Yes po. Yes. Pwede
Okay.
po.
pero kailangan online banking ka, di ba?
Yes po. Kailangan naka-online.
Naka-online yung bank mo.
Okay.
Okay. So GCash would be the most reasonable right now. So tsaka ko na lang i-add yung GCash pag na-verified na ako, right?
Yes.
Alam mo ba, Richard, dito sa
Yes,
US, naraman kami mag-apply, mag-sign up sa Binance kasi alam mo bakit? May Binance US, may Binance din sa Asia. Medyo complicated. Ang pinaka-easy naman sa amin, Coinbase. I've been using Coinbase for the last 8 years. Kaya nga, tulad sa amin nila ni, ang pinaka-easy siguro, kasi ang Coinbase hindi allowed sa Philippines. So sa inyo naman, pinaka-ma-easy yung Binance. Pero hopefully, balang araw, pag-polish na yung ating liquidity swap, doon tayo. But right now, this
Yes po. Oo.
sa ngayon talaga, ito muna kasi this is immediate need, Kailangan natin.
Nag-stop yung aking yung aking verification.
Yeah. Mrs. Black, do not worry because itong aking backup, matagal din na-approve yung sa kanya. So I think it's like that.
Yeah, it's just not really that sometimes Ate Priscilla is faster, sometimes it's slower. It depends.
So can I just end this or what?
No, just leave it the way it is. Just leave it the way it is. Then you go back.
It's not yung verification niya hindi na siya moving eh. I don't know.
No, ibig ko sabihin, ate, once you approve, lalabas naman talaga na-approve ka na. Successful.
Now, I have a question kasi I clicked continue and then nakalagay doon allow Binance to record, to take pictures, and so on and so forth. What do I click? Richard. Allow, nakalagay kasi, allow Binance to take videos and pictures. Only this time, not this time, don't allow, ano bang i-click ko doon? Because I did not click any and then it stopped.
While using this app.
While using the app. Yeah, well, maybe I did something wrong because yan na nakakatakot because in the process, while it's going around in circles with the checking and all that, I click yung continue, na-click naman, clickable, and then yung lumabas is allow Binance to do, etc., etc. But I did not do anything. I went back, and then hindi na nag-move, nag-stop. So, yeah, sayang eh, kasi nandun na siya sa 60%. Oo.
So don't worry about it, Ate Priscilla.
Okay.
Naka-recording naman ito kay Ate Dali. You can watch it from your laptop mo, and then using your cell phone, you can do it Kasi kung di naman mag-go through yan, you can do it all over again.
Sayang, sayang.
Yeah.
60% na eh. Oh. Anyways, okay, well, we learn our lessons, right? There's
Yeah, yeah.
always a first time.
Yeah, no worries. Even me. Yeah.
Oo.
No worries. Even me, when the first time I did the Coinbase, I did it once or twice. Yeah.
Okay.
No
Oh,
worry.
so that's
So,
good then.
Yeah. So Richard, like you said, you know,
Ah.
to do yung buying, and you stated talagang dapat nasa nasa person, Richard, no?
Yes.
Kasi medyo
Yes.
mahirap.
So ang assignment namin, Richard, for the next training is this. Kailangan na-download na yung Binance.
Yes.
And
Kailangan.
then we can talk business now. We can proceed with the training, correct? As to
Yes.
how to integrate it in our dashboard.
Correct. Yeah. So no, I'm gonna
Okay.
shoot to you right now at the I shoot to you. Richard, can I be a host again? Can you okay, hold on. Let me see if I can
Okay.
rename myself.
Okay.
Yeah, can you give me back as a host? Okay, thank you.
And
Thank you.
then there's another training tomorrow. Is this also technical? It's
No,
going to be done by Vien.
So this is what we're gonna do, okay? Tomorrow, we're gonna make a schedule like every Monday is only business presentation. You can invite everybody.
Okay, business presentation.
Para wala tayong masyadong yung confusion, kasi minsan gusto natin mag-training tapos may mga tao na mga bago, so we have no choice but to do training. Do presentation. So
let's
we're
structure it.
gonna make Monday is going to be business presentation only.
Business. Okay.
And then Tuesday is gonna be
Tuesday,
compensation plan. Okay.
compensation plan. Okay.
Wednesday,
I'm writing it down.
Wednesday, we can do technical. Okay.
Technical. Okay.
So parang
ang Monday at saka Tuesday, 8 p.m. sa gabi. Philippine time,
yes,
8 p.m.
Yes. Same thing with Wednesday.
8 p.m. din.
Yeah.
And then when you say Wednesday technical, pwede rin matackle ito. Ito tong ating ginagawa ngayon.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, very good.
We can do it.
So
And also
technical.
like I said, we're not gonna be only one person doing it.
Yes.
Sir Ben can also do what Richard is doing. All you have to do is like what is Richard is doing now, yung mga nakalagay na doon, naka-copy na Richard.
Thank you.
She can use it also. Slide.
So what about Thursday? What's happening on Thursday?
So this is what happened, right? In the US, I'm doing some Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and Thursday night for the people in the US. So kaya kayo that, but you can also participate dito sa inyo naman Wednesday, Thursday, Friday ng 8 a.m. in the morning sa time nyo. Kasi
Thursday,
Wednesday,
8 a.m.
Thursday, at saka Friday ng morning, we are doing business presentation and also compensation plan sa US. So we're going to do also Monday, Tuesday sa US, business presentation, and then Wednesday we can cover compensation plan, and then Thursday another business presentation. Tatlo kasi sa US.
Okay.
I'm gonna have calendar, ate. I'm gonna put calendars.
Very good.
Okay.
Yeah, let's structure this talaga para alam natin ang ine-expect natin for the day.
Okay. So this is what happened, para hindi masyadong hard for one person like me, because right now I'm taking over Asia and US, so I cannot depend on Stefano. Stefano can be a guest once in a while, but he's busy doing other things. So what I'm gonna do is Joby and Serben, Richard and Lani so far they are doing also the training like me.
Okay.
So,
All right.
pero tapos later on, Ate Prisla, if you're comfortable doing this presentation, then you can also participate. So is Ate Dali,
Oh,
so everybody
yeah,
that feel comfortable, we can all start, may nagsasalita. Sandali lang.
wait.
Guys, also, I just wanna like keep it in mind, okay? Like, I know a lot of people that they're not aware when you're talking, people can hear them. So what we do, we always mute everyone. So kung kayo ay just kasi mga tao, mga minsan nila alam na narinig sila. Kung gusto mong salita, wala naman magbabawal sa iyong salita. Click mo yung yung mute para hindi ka marinig ng mga tao lahat. Dahil kung gusto mong salita, just unmute it. Okay? Nakakatawa nga pero minsan nagdadalig ng mga tao naghihilik. So wala namang problema. So please put yourself in mute. Have a habit of putting yourself in mute. Pero pag gusto mo magsalita, unmute yourself. Okay, so all of us here should understand that. Kahit ako, when I do something, I talk to sa katulong ko, I mute myself. Kasi alam ko, marinig nyo. So, just a habit of i-mute yung sarili nyo. Tapos kung arinig ako magsalita, unmute yourself. Okay? Kasi may kumakanta, may naghihilik. Maraming distraction. May nag-iihi. Can you imagine that? May nag-iihi. Nakikita namin. Nakaupo sa may bathroom. Can you imagine that? Oh my goodness. Kung gusto nyo, tulad ng kayo, pag ayaw nyo makita kayo, ang video nyo, stop nyo rin. You can stop the video. You can mute yourself. Okay? So, dalawa lang yung nyo, pag nagsusum kayo. Mute yourself or ayaw nyo makita ang tsura nyo or ilagay nyo sa But be honest, guys, sa Europe, di na allowing people to participate pag hindi naka-open ang camera. Kaya dapat thank you, ate. You look good. So, let's tingnan mo ako, kagigising lang, di pa nga nagilamos, dito na ako sa So, sometimes, ginawa ko naman kasi mga ladies naman lahat. Pero ibig sabihin, it's good that we see each other. Di ba, magandang salita na nakikita mo rin ang kausap mo. So, let's have a habit na then we open our camera. Okay? Kasi, as a leader, pag tayo nagsisimula na lahat tayo nag-open ng lahat ng mga tao mag-follow din. So, we always ask them, hey, can you please open your camera? And then they might do it. So, ganyan. So, I'm gonna share my screen actually. And then, okay.
Ma'am Lori,
Yes.
Ma'am Lori, I have a suggestion. Dito po sa bagong nating ginawa nating schedule for training, request ko lang po dito na siguro yung speaker should post yung kanilang mga requirements para kami, we have visitors, we know kung sino yung i-invite namin for that. Also,
that's the reason why we're going to do that at Yolanda. When we post our schedule, we tell them that this is business opportunity, this is training, this is this. Para alam ng mga tao kung sinong imbitahin lang, hindi imbitahin.
Opo. Okay. Yung sa technical din po, yung requirements. Okay. Para by the time we start, alam natin. Kasi katulad nito, I have yung aking mga guests, hindi ko pa to sila ni-register. But since they are really very interested, I told them, magsali na lang kayo. So, but it's okay. Kasi they took down notes naman doon sa doon sa registration ng Binance.
So, right now I'm gonna show you yung sinasabi ni Richard kanina. Na pinakita niya, I'm gonna show you sa wallet. Okay? So if you want, one day I can also teach you how to do Zoom. Okay? Para matuto din kayo. Paano mag-Zoom. Ate Dali. So, Ate Priscilla, Ate Yolanda, everybody, can you see my screen?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes
Yes.
po.
You can see it.
Okay. So ito sinasabi ni Richard, pag andito na sa dashboard mo, i-click mo ang profile. Okay? Profile. And then i-click mo ang payments. Nakikita nyo? Profile, payments. So
Okay.
lalabas na dito. Dito nyo ika-copy paste. So you can do this kung nasa ano kayo. If you're good in computer, you can do in computer. Pero kung gamitin nyo, wala kayong computer, gamitin nyo yung cellphone nyo. So you can do it. Yung sinasabi ni Richard, tulad sa akin sa US, checking account, routing number, and SWIFT code. Sa inyo naman, sa Pilipinas, dito yung ika-copy paste muna yung yung wallet address nyo sa Binance. And then, sinasabi ni Richard dito, sa end dito, bigyan mo lang ng space, tapos ilagay mo ang Polygon, POS. Ate Priscilla, you got it now? Ate Yolanda? Right?
Yeah. Nakasunod ako, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. So, Ate Yolanda, sa Ate Priscilla naka-mute. Dito siya ilalagay. So, profile at saka payments, okay? Ang i-copy paste mo ang wallet address mo, and then mag-space, ilagay mo lang Polygon POS. Yan lang. So ito siyang document. Dalawa lang naman ang kailangan mo, proof of address, either water bill, at saka electric bill. Kung wala kang wala kang bill na binabayaran, punta ka sa barangay, certificate of address, bibigyan ka nila. Ito naman, passport, yung driver license, or pag wala ka doon, TIN number, or yung government picture mo, dahil nagtatrabaho ka sa government, yun ilalagay na ikaw yun. So, yung naman natin, Ate Priscilla, Ate Daling, sabi mo yung yung how to create yung ticket, okay? So, let me say, so go to, you share.
Ma'am Lori.
Yes.
Oo. May nabasa po ako kanina na requirement, maybe coming from Sir Richard. Yung requirement niya is residence certificate. It's not a certification from the barangay. So the two documents are different. The residence the certificate of kuan is different from the certification of the barangay. I will check it.
Certificate of residency lang. Certificate of residency po.
Certificate of residency. So hindi siya yung residence certificate, residence certificate ba yung kinukuha sa barangay? Kasi yan merong sedula, kasi sedula ang tawag doon sa residence certificate. Pero meron din siyang certification from the barangay. So, alin ba doon ang required?
Kasi po ako kumuha lang sa barangay ng certificate of residency. Hindi naman ako ni-require ng kumuha ng sedula. Proof of residency.
Certificate of residency lang.
Yeah.
So hindi yung hindi yung kuan. Okay.
Hindi po sedula.
So kasi iba kasi yung residence certificate kaysa sa certificate of residency. Oo, certification talaga siguro yung kailangan. Okay. Sige po.
Nakalimutan ko pa lang.
Thank you, Sir Richard.
Pinagbayad lang ako ng barangay ng 50 pesos.
Okay, oo. Certificate of residency yun. Kasi kung barangay yung sinabi ko kanina, yun para magbayad ka ng tax.
Sa sedula.
Hindi po,
So ibig sabihin, hindi sedula.
Hindi po.
Hindi po, residence
Okay.
certificate lang. Sa ibang barangay, 30 pesos. Sa iba, 50. 50 pesos. Opo. Yun lang po ang ina-accept na user kung walang Meralco or kung walang electric bill or water bill. Yun lang ang option natin.
Parang certification lang, Ma'am Lan.
Opo.
Hindi sedula. Okay.
Certification of residency.
Opo,
Certification of residency that you are really residing in that barangay. Hindi nilalagay
Tama.
nila yung address, picture, and all
Correct.
that. Oo,
Correct.
yun yun.
Opo, opo.
Yun yun.
Magdala lang po kayo ng valid ID para bigyan nila kayo. Yes.
Nakikita niyo ba? Nakikita niyo ba itong ang screen ko?
Wala ngayon, ma'am. Wala. Nawala siya.
Hindi naka-share.
Okay, I'll share it. Kasi ipakita ko kay yung kasi tinatanong ni ate kung paano mag-withdraw. So ito sa ate, this is nakikita niyo yung screen ko, right? So click e-wallet. E-wallet. Click also credit summary. Okay? Pag-click mo yung credit summary, makikita mo ito ang mo, credit balance mo. Pag may pira ka dito na numbers, yan ang i-click mo na payment request. Si Ate Priscilla ata hindi pa. Gusto niyo na. Oo. So, thank you, Ate. So I'm gonna show you again.
Not yet.
Oo.
Hindi ko pa nagawa yan.
So Ate Priscilla, if you wanna know how much money you make, dito
I don't
makikita
give-
mo. No, dito makikita mo ang number right here.
I think ilalabas nila kung how much ang nakita mo na kung nakumpleto mo na dun sa profile mo, all the requirements.
Correct.
Or nevertheless, miski hindi mo pa nakumpleto yung requirements, makikita mo
Makikita
pa
mo.
rin
Oo.
yung credit balance.
Yes. Makikita mo sa kaso lang hindi mo lang ma-withdraw pag wala ka pa na-verify.
Oh, okay.
So pag nag-click ka ng payment request, lalabas sa ilalim waiting. Sa ilalim dito.
Okay.
Maglalagay niyan waiting. Don't ibig sabihin ng waiting kasi it doesn't happen right away. Sometimes you have to wait. Dito sa US because of wire transfer, we have to wait for sometimes a week, within a week. Sa inyo din, ganun din, may waiting din. So ay ganyan din. So yan lang kailangan mo ate. The only time that you can withdraw money pag dito ay may numbers. Pag zero yan.
Through
Pag zero
the
yan.
Binance, right?
No, ate, so ate, this is your payment, right? Pag na-set
Okay.
up ng Binance, pag i-click mo ang
Mhm.
payment request, alam na nila na pupunta doon sa wallet address mo.
Oh, doon sa aking USDT.
Oo.
Yun.
Pag
Okay
dumating na doon
na.
sa Binance mo, makikita mo na sa Binance, may pera ka na doon. Doon na ang time may withdrawin mo papunta sa bangko mo or sa Gcash mo.
Pwedeng i-transfer yun sa USDT sa Gcash.
I think so, right, Richard?
Richard,
Yes,
how's that?
yes po, saka sa bangko. Sa
Kailangan
bangko,
ma-add. Kailangan ma-add yun,
Yeah.
Yung
So,
Yeah.
ang kagandahan lang sa inyo, which is really good, kasi na-allow ng Gcash na ilipat ang pera doon. Sa amin din sa US, mostly bangko eh.
Aha. Nice kasi mas safe sa GCash kasi pwede mong controlled lang ang amount kaysa doon sa bangko. Anyways, kailangan talaga i-add ko pala yung GCash from the very beginning, Richard, or how do I go about and add the GCash?
Pag na pag na-approve na po yung nyo, pero pag na-verify na, makikita
ganyan.
nyo doon.
Okay. Well, I'm back. Sa liveness check, it's moving again. I don't know what I did, but it's back. For your information. Okay, so I'll just be patient and wait for the approval. Yeah,
Okay.
Thank you itong pinapakita mo, Miss Lori, kasi this is really kailangan namin ito.
So remember itong profile.
Profile
yung,
muna.
Tapos nakalagay yung payments, right?
Okay,
So,
payments, alright.
dito nyo nilagay yung wallet address.
Wallet address,
Lagyan mo lang
i-copy namin.
I-copy paste. Tapos lagyan mo na ng space, tapos ilagay mo ang Polygon POS. So pagtapos na yan.
Polygon USDT or Polygon what?
Oh, Polygon USDT, right?
Polygon
Richard?
USDT, yung sinabi ni Richard.
Polygon
USDT
USDT.
Polygon.
So pagkatapos na yan, you just make sure lang na kayo naka-verify. So ang profile nyo, pag ganyan, pag i-click nyo yung documents, lalabas dito na sorry. Iba pala ito. Profile, tapos i-click mong documents, lalabas yung dalawa dito. Pag nakapula pa yan, ibig sabihin hindi ka pa pwede mag-withdraw. Just be verified, dalawang ito. Pag
Yes,
hindi na
yes.
sila nakapula, that's the time you can withdraw. Okay?
Okay.
So,
Well,
pag,
this is good.
so pag may mga problema kayo na hindi nyo it's always good to mag-create kayo ng ng ticket.
Oh, ang ganda pala nito. Kailangan talaga ng Binance to be able to get our commission. There is no way on earth na mailabas yung mga commission na yan without the Binance.
Mhm.
Ma'am Lori, can I ask something?
Yes po.
Aside from Binance, is there any other exchanges that we
Yes,
could use?
CoinPH po. CoinPH.
Ah, okay.
Coins.ph.
Pwede
Coin.ph.
rin po ang Trust Wallet.
Trust
Trust Wallet.
Wallet. Clever Wallet.
Kaya lang po, ingat kayo sa Trust Wallet, madali siyang ma-hack. Once na isang link lang, pwedeng makuha lahat ng pera nyo sa Trust Wallet.
Oh,
Yes.
Ano ba? Sa Clever.
Yeah.
irony of the name, trust.
Yeah.
Yes.
So may
Irony.
Coin.ph din po.
Irony.
Yeah, I have coins.ph.
Okay.
Mataas
yung-
lang ang transfer. Ang gas
Paano
fee is
pala
very
yung
expensive
ating,
kasi.
paano pala yung DT swap? Ano naman ang role niya with all this Binance thing, yung ating DT swap?
Kasi po, ganito yun, ang ating WhatsApp, kailangan nyo rin i-download just to be para you can start using it para kayo maging comfortable. Kasi ang ating DT swap is very, very new. So yung hindi pa siguro 100% polished. So
Okay.
but we can still download it next time. Baka yan ang
Okay.
tuturo na Richard kung paano download ng DT swap or si Sir Ben, and then you can also start using it hanggang maging comfortable kayo, and then pag wala ng problema, everything is polished, then we can start using our DT swap versus Binance.
Okay, so
Yes,
it's an exchange also. It's like
Correct.
Binance.
So
Opo,
we
DT
yes,
swap.
yes.
so Ate Priscilla, we own our own exchange.
Wow.
It is called
Opo.
DT
Okay.
swap. So eventually balang araw, kaya sabi ko kung maraming gagamit ang ating DT swap balang araw, we also benefit from it kasi we are stockholder shareholder ng company.
Magwalis
So-
ka na anak dito.
So that's the reason why we need also to use our DT swap in the future. Kasi
I have a
lang sa
question.
Mhm.
I have a question. Since we purchased, anyway, it's still on the technical side, no? Since we purchased yung ating AI token, yung Maya token, saan natin makikita sa dashboard na we purchased X number of Maya token?
Mhm. So some
Nasa
people
dashboard ba yan?
see it, some people don't see it. So I don't know why. So I can look at it. I don't have Maya token because I'm not allowed here in the US, so I cannot show you.
Anybody
Um,
here, anybody in the group na nakita niya yung purchases niya ng Maya token, and can you please share or something? Ano ang
Si Richard,
experience ninyo?
ma'am. Si
Richard. Kasi
Okay.
USC Miss
Okay,
Lori.
so let's do it this way. Andito na ako kasi sa site ng support. After sa
Yeah.
support, ibibigay ko kay Richard ulit ang link. Then pakita sa inyo ang yung token, okay? So right now,
Yes, please.
let's just finish this now. So yung usersupport.com, nakikita niyo ba ang screen ko? Hindi.
Wala nang screen.
Okay, 1 second.
Paki-share lang, Miss Lori.
Pero okay na rin yung gusto nga ng
So nag-click ako ng usersupport.com. Kita niyo? Usersupport.com.
Yes, kita namin.
Okay. So pinaka-importante pag hindi pa kayo wala pa kayong account. Kasi itong login kung meron ka ng account na na-create. Ang sign up, this is how it works. Ang sign up, ilalagay niyo ang full name, email, password. Ang gagamitin niyo na email, ang email niyo sa account niyo.
Okay.
Okay? Let's say my full name is Lorida Buco. Email ko is loripeter100 yagan. Password, I will create my password. Okay? And then you say I'm not a robot, and then sign up. Once meron ka ng account na na-create, so you can go back and create a ticket. Pag meron ka ng ano, so this is how it works. So na-click ko na yan, I need to finish this. Pero kasi ano na ako, I already logged in before. Hindi ko kailangan
Okay.
na ganyan. Second.
So creating this account allows you to be able to connect to them
Yeah,
at any
correct.
time.
Okay, yeah. So, and I just need to go back again. So, ito siya ngayon. Pag wala ka pang account, you need to click sign up. Full name, email. Gamitin mong email. Huwag kang mag-create ng another email na sa ibang email mo. Only the email na nilagay mo dun sa account mo. Kasi that's the only way they can recognize who you are sa email mo, dun sa account mo. Okay? So, you have to use the same email kung anong ginamit nyo sa account nyo. And password, confirm password, set up. Ganyan na. And sign up.
Ma'am Lord, question. Kasi we made a mistake sa name ni Dr. Rona. Sa company niya is Americare, but it was typed as American Care. So si Emerald asked for support to change that name.
So, ang kailangan
Ang dapat pala si
Yeah.
Doktora mismo.
Correct.
She will be the one to
You can create, yeah, you can create, basta alam mo lang email niya. Kasi lang ang mangyari ganito, ang email niya, ang response ng ano, doon pupunta sa kanya sa email. At saka, pero kung meron kang ano, kung meron kang, let's say kung nagpapatulong siya sa iyo, kailangan mo lang sa kanya, ano lang yung password niya. Let's say, email niya, first name niya,
Yeah,
email.
that's what I think, Emerald. That's
Oo.
what you did, diba, Em? Yeah.
So, kailangan ni Emerald yung ano, yung password niya. Tsaka ano, so
No,
para
I sent it via my own user account, user support account. They actually made a reply indicating that I should do it through Doc Rona's ano.
correct. Kasi the reason
The
for
ticket
that,
should be done by
yeah. Thank you, Emerald. Also, Emerald, make sure na pag nagpadala ka ng support, meron ka sa kanyang driver license or ano na ikaw ang nag-change, siya mismo nag-change. Kasi minsan, ang company, just to be in the safe side, you know, like, my name is blah, 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 I made a mistake, you know, para malaman lang ikaw nag-change. At saka using her email and password. Kailangan mag-create ka sa kanya ng email at saka
Yeah.
password niya. Or maybe you don't even need it.
The reply goes this way: Dear Emerald, we invite you to open a real ticket. Yes, where you can attach files, and it must be open in the correct support area. So
Correct.
there needs to be files to be attached.
So sometimes when we change something like name or ano or something, sometimes it's better to attach yung driver license na ikaw talaga nag-change. Ganyan din yun. Pwede mas mabilis. Pero yung Emerald, hindi ka naman makatulong sa kanya. Kailangan mo lang kanyang name, mag-create ka ng supportticket.com name, email niya, at saka yung password, at saka yung ano, yung ikaw na lang maghawak ng password niya. Kaso ang mangyari niyan, ang okay. Ang dalawa, ang kailangan i-check nyo rin ang ano nyo. So pag naka-create na kayo ng sinaglagay ako ng password ng ano ko rito. So meron na akong sign up. So kung gusto ko i-check yung aking status, all I have to do is go to support.com. I-click ko yung ano ko, ilalagay ko yung ano ko rito. Normally they only ask for your email. So pag nilagay ko yung email ko, tapos ano ko yung nakalagay 3 doon. Nakalagay yung open ticket, pending ticket, tsaka close ticket. So pag ibig sabihin pag open pa, they're working on it. Pag pending, you know, pag open pang ticket mo, baka hindi pala nakita. Pag pending, maybe they're working on it. Tapos pag tapos na, ano, so you have to check kung ano sinasabi nila. Ang mga tao na iba, naglalagay ng support ticket, hindi man lang titingin kung anong answer ng ano. They expect na pagkatapos nila ng nagaling ticket, everything will be taken care of. Hindi, kasi baka meron pa silang question sa iyo na itatanong bago lang ma-close ang ticket. Okay? So pinaka-importante, pag nag-ano ka ng ticket, nag-send ka ng ticket, check also the response of the user by logging into your account, and then titingnan mo ang open ticket. pending ticket or closed na.
Ma'am Lori, does the username has a bearing on the KYC of the person that will get the money later on, the commission? I think sa KYC, they will not ask for your username, or will they ask
No,
for your
no.
username, or will they ask
no,
for
no.
your ID?
Sa QIC, kailangan mo ng ano, ate, yung ano lang, Ate Bing, you just need your driver license, passport, or any form, maybe government
okay.
form of ID na ikaw yun.
Mhm.
Hmm?
I see. So, for example, the username is not yet changed before the payment is done. So does it? That's why I'm asking whether it has a bearing on the payment of the commission.
No.
If
Okay, that's
wala,
only
wala.
sa pag-order, bayad walang problema. Magkakaroon ka lang ng problema pag ano na, pag nag-payment na withdraw mo ang pera. Kasi di mo na make sure
Okay.
Pero ano naman ate, you're only asking me, or you're only telling me the problem is only the name of the ano, yung kanyang
Username, username.
bank niya, ang kanyang di ba sabi mo ano niya, yung kanyang company name?
American.
Yeah, company.
So the company
But,
name has
she has
nothing to do.
the company name is Americare, but
So ito ganito ate, in the US,
is American.
di ba ate sa US siya? Di ba?
Yes.
So sa US, kung may company ka na ganyan, madali lang yun, pwede mo pa-update. Please, I want to update my stuff. Tapos isabihin mo lang na I made a mistake. Kaso lang, alam mo ate, kailangan niya i-provide pag company ni sa Amerika, kailangan mo ng ano ng IRS na form na mayroong doong ano yung hindi naman nagsign up si Emerald, nilagay niyang IRS number, yung PIN number.
Emerald.
No, ma'am. No.
Emerald, kasi dito sa
No.
US, kung naglagay ka ng company
I
company name,
I have just written a report sa share.
ano yun?
I just made a report on UShare, pero yun nga, they're asking me to I just made a report via UShare support, and yun nga yung reply nila, I need to upload some documents, of which I don't have.
So ganito
Plona
yun.
has it.
So just ano ng ano Emerald, na nag-sign up ka sa kanila, sa company, nilagay mo, kasi dalawa lang choice, private or company, nilagay mo company, di ba?
Yes, ma'am. Company.
Tapos nilagay mo yung kanyang, ano, yung, kasi dito sa amin, meron kaming IRS number pag nag-apply kami ng ano, so nilagay mo doon, IRS number.
Not sure, ma'am. Tingnan ko sa documents that was given to me. Kasi na-approve naman siya. So, all documents filled.
So
alam kung
good.
yun yung
Good
nalagay
job.
ko.
So ang kailangan nyo lang ngayon dito, ano, yung sabihin mo sa kay Dr. Rona, kailangan niya na mag-ibig padala sa iyo yung ano, yung ano niya, yung galing sa IRS na parang ano sa yung nakalagay ang company name niya. Meron doon ang number ng ano ng kanyang parang sa Pilipinas din number. So may IRS number doon. Tapos yun ang i-download sa company para i-verify ang company niya. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng walang araw kikita ng pera pag hindi naka-download yung ano document niya ng company. Siguradong meron naman siya sigurong copy niyan. Hindi naman pwedeng walang copy ng ganyan. Yun ang kailangan ng document. So, Emerald, you have a question for that? Sabihin mo lang sa kanya na ano, Ate Bing, na kailangan natin ng ano, document ng IRS. So, sa amin, sa inyo BIR.
Okay, ma'am.
Sa amin IRS. Okay? So, okay na kayo sa ano, sa yung how to create yung ano, si Emerald pala ginawa niya na eh. Nagka-create na siya ng account. So, usersupport.com. Mag-create ka ng ano nyo, ano, so, ng sarili nyong account by putting your full name, email address, tsaka gumawa ng password. So pag mag-login kayo ulit, hindi na kayo magpunta sa sign in kasi naka-sign in na kayo, login na lang. So login, lagyan nyo lang yung ano nyo, email address. Ano na yun, lalabas na agad. Tapos doon sa ano, sorry, let me just go back again. Sa user, dahil lang. Nakikita niyo yung screen ko? Nakikita niyo? Yes.
Opo,
Okay,
ma'am,
thank
opo.
you. So, itong pinaka-importante na pag nag-login kayo or gumawa kayo ng support ticket, ito kung saan ang i-click nyo, okay? So, make sure i-click nyo ang use share. Okay? Pag nag-create kayo ng ticket, i-click nyo ang use share. Huwag kayo mag-click sa DT Circle sa use share. Kasi doon kayo magpapadala ng ng ticket sa use share. Okay? So marami yan dito, circle, dito circle, dito is, kasi walang araw tulad sa Europe, meron silang digital money, DTS wallet. So kiniklik nila kung meron silang support ticket sa problema sa DTS. Dito sa nagkiklik sa DTS, tayo naman, nasa user tayo, so we click usersupport.com. Okay? Yan ang isa-click nyo. Doon kayo mag-send ng problema nyo. Let's say you have a problem, doon kayo magpapadala ng support sa user. Let me see if I can log in. I forgot the password already. Let's see. Na-notice ko this is nothing to offense anyone. I know, may habit talaga tayong mga Pilipino, no, na ang ating Zoom is 8 o'clock. Natatawa ako kasi paalis na tayo, is 10 o'clock na, saka pa lang tayo papasok. So, yeah, maraming nangyari. So, yung kailangan natin siguro, we have to make sure pag may mga training tayo, may mga presentation tayo. Can you imagine that kung may mga bisita ka, and then ikaw na nag-invite, darating ka 30 minutes late, 1 hour, mga guests mo andun na sa loob. Hindi ba, hindi rin maganda. So make sure din na din, we have a habit of yung coming in early. Ano na natin yan, we have Filipino time, right? Filipino, may sariling time din, sariling mundo. Sinabi mo, kaya dito sa US, may kasabihan sila, are you in Filipino time or in American time? Di ba? Pag sinasabing Filipino time, iba ang time mo, may sarili kang mundo. Kasi pag may party na, minsan pag sinabi ng mga Amerikano, we have a meeting at 12 o'clock, okay? American time, not Filipino time. Ibig sabihin, huwag kang dating ng 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock ang meeting. Hindi Filipino time na you just come in whenever you feel like it. So, meron na tayong repetition, Filipino time. So, nangyayari din sa ating Zoom ngayon. Palagi na lang darating, tapos na. I'm just gonna open my got the password too. But Okay. So, kung may nakalimutan kang password mo, you can also click forgot password. I have not opened it for a long time, kaya nakalimutan ko rin. So, Ate Dali, nagawa mo rito, pero hindi mo na titingnan ang answer niya, ano? Di pa sabi mo? Hindi mo? Oo. Mhm. Di mo ina-open. Di mo ina-open. Mm. Mm. Kasi, kasi yan palaging problema ng mga tao. Naglalagay nga sila ng ng support, ate. Hindi naman nag-check anong sagot. So, go ahead, ate. Di mo ina-open. Yan. Yan ang problema ng mga tao. Hindi alam kung ano sinasabi ng support. So once na, tapos yan talaga ating problema. Kasi parang sign sila ng support, tapos sinasabi sa akin, Lori, I already send the support. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako nabayaran. Pero hindi nila alam na napadala pa na ng support ng ticket na sinasabi na may kailangan pa. So yun ang pagkamali ng mga tao. Tapos akala ko naman, yung nasagot na ng support, pero hindi ko naman alam kung ano sagot ng support hanggang hindi ka naman i-open mo yung sagot nila. The only person can open it is you. Walang makaipan kasi, yun. Okay? So, okay na tayo dyan? Support? Okay. Yeah. Saka nung ulit sasagot pag may problema. Okay? So, are we clear now? Is this very helpful? Pwede natin ulitin ito ulit next time. So, mag-create ako ng kalendar. Kung ano sa araw. Yan. It's okay. I'm trying to do a little bit intermittent. So, yeah, thank you. So, tomorrow, si Sir Ben, mag-training. Si Sir Ben is very, very good. Pero sa sariling slide na Tagalog, na pwede niya ituro sa mga mabilis. So, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang talent. Lahat may kanya-kanyang So, we can always learn from one another.
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Lori, before we go, yung question ko kanina kay Richard regarding saan titignan yung tokens mo na nabili mo.
Oh yeah, Sir Richard, can I make
Yeah.
Richard, can I make you a host again?
Okay.
Kasi wala akong token
Yung
dito.
yung Maya token, saan namin ba titignan yan? And how
Okay, sige
we
ma'am.
paid, let's say we paid $1,000. So, ilang tokens yan?
Sige,
Okay.
sige.
Yun na, Richard, ikaw na host.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Diyan, ma'am, kiklik nyo lang yung tatlong horizontal line sa taas. Tapos i-click nyo yung wallet, e-wallet, then e-wallet. Dalawang e-wallet. Pag na-click nyo na yan, lilitaw yung lilitaw ito. Yan.
Richard, hindi ka nag-share ng screen?
Yan, ma'am.
Share na.
Yan, dyan makikita nyo. Na-click nyo yung kanina yung nasundan nyo yung kanina, ma'am? Yung unang pinakita ko.
Yes. Oo, and then lilitaw ito.
Lilitaw ito. Ito yung TKM, yung token Maya.
Diyan lalabas.
Maya NFT. Click nyo lang yan. Lilitaw yung mga.
Yung number of
Makikita mo.
tokens mo.
Yes po.
I see.
Yung
Okay.
royalty micro units, yan yung income ng ating micro units. Yan yung makikita.
Mhm.
Yan yan. Click nyo lang po yung mga may pula. Kung anong meron, ang anong gusto nyo makita.
Ayan, yan. Sinasabi ni Richard yun, yung may mga pula-pula.
Oh, yes.
Maya NFT, token.
Oh. So yan yung Maya token, yung TKM.
Yeah.
Token Maya.
Yes. Yes.
Mm-mm. So lalabas yung number of tokens mo.
Yung, yes.
Mm.
Kung magkano binili nyo.
Okay. And then, ito rin. It's also a question from my group. When you purchase the Maya token, it is said that you will own shares in the company, right? So where do we find that shares in our dashboard?
So, I can answer that, Richard. So, yung Maya token mo, whatever kung anong binili mo, yun din ang ano mo. Pero yung ang sinasabi lang shares, okay. Ang Maya mo, kung hindi mo titinda, 30% ang profit ng company sinishare sa mga tao. May hawak ng Maya token, NFT, or whatever. Pero yung ano siya, yung shares mo, you can only see your shares pag nagbe-business ang tao. Kasi yung 70% in cash and 30% in stocks. So yan sa let me go over. Pero yung shares, ano na yan? Dahil nga, let me just. Richard, can I have the screen again?
So do I understand ganito, Miss Lori? Like, these shares that we're talking about here is when you do the business, and then when you get a commission, and then 70% is in cash and 30% is in shares. Yun yung shares.
Yes.
That's why you are a shareholder.
Yeah, automatic. But by also owning NFT or also by owning token, you can also participate in the profit. Pero hindi mo alam yun kung magkano. Kasi it will happen later on. Ang company, kung anong income nila sa certain kung sino may hawak ng NFT token or Maya NFT,
So,
yun ang may share.
Do I understand, clarify ko lang, do I understand that if you don't do the business, you don't have the shares? Even if you purchase Maya token?
You only get paid from your Maya token. Sarili mo lang Maya token. Ang dividend ng company, every year, i-share sa mga tao na may hawak ng token. Pero yung iba din yung sa business, iba din yung sa token mo.
Okay, so additional yon. So in other words, once you purchase the Maya token, you're now considered a shareholder, correct?
Yeah, if you hold it until you go public.
If you hold it until such time
but if you sell it, you're gonna lose that yung dividend mo. But if you keep it, you just want to participate in the So okay, I'm gonna show you something quick. So this is e-wallet. Oh, so wait a minute. Am I sharing screen right now? No.
Not yet.
Wala
Not
po.
yet.
Wala.
Okay, so let me see. So this is mine, okay? So e-wallet, di ba yun? So this is what I made like in my one account. So this is like iba itong gain mo, iba din yung mo. Kasi yan ang kinita mo. Pero iba naman yung sa yung 30% mo. So i-click mo e-wallet. Dito mo magkaya sa ilalim yung credit euro per stocks option. I-click mo. So that means beside my commission, I also earned $42,549 worth of stocks of the company.
42,549.896.
That is my stocks from this. I own 5 accounts. So this is my
from that
money
account.
from this account. Okay?
Okay.
So that is different. So kung ako bumili lang ako ng ano, let's say, I'm gonna give you some example. Bumili lang ako ng let's say token, Maya token, wala akong ginawa, hindi ako nagbe-business,
Oo.
okay?
Mhm.
So, did you see that I have 30,000 here? Right?
Yes.
I only bought it for 24,000. Pero sa araw, when you buy higher packets in sa ating company, they always give you more. So at that time, they gave me 25%. So ang 25% ng aking ang 30,000 ko, ang 24,000 ko naging 30,000 kagad. So sa araw na yon, I earned 6,000 extra, okay? For example. So that is my my token, UTIC token. So if I click now, I bought it for 25 cents. But if I click my UTIC token, the value ng UTIC token ko, sa ngayon, I have about 126 token, okay? Sa 24,000 ko. So ang 126 token na yan, na ngayon I have 126,000 token. Ang token is worth already $1. So that means ang 24,000 ko naging 126,000. So I earn about $106,000. Dahil sa I bought it when it was 25, now it's worth $1. So ang gagawin nila sa ating token, they gonna use the token to buy if gusto mo advertise sa Umita World, gusto mo bili ng anti-hackers application na VPN, gusto mo maging subscribe sa Maya, Maya as your personal assistant, lahat yun, hindi ka makabili, hindi ka makapag-subscribe pag hindi mo gagamitin ang token. You have to buy the token. Ang ating token, yan ang ginagamit pambili ng services. That's how we make money. So ngayon, let's say, ayaw kong ititindang token ko. So every year, 30% ng profit ng the whole token, they make 100 million, 100 million. 30% goes back to the people who owns token. Yung token na, yung sinasabi natin, pag-usapan natin. So ngayon, mag-participate ako sa profit ng company, parang dividend. Pero kung ititinda ko lahat, pag magpapalit tayo, ititinda ko lahat ang token ko. Hindi ako kasali sa dividend kasi tininda ko na lahat ang token ko. That's the ano. So, pwede kayo magtinda ng token nyo, huwag nyo tinda lahat, gusto nyo participate sa ano. So, ang nangyari ngayon, yung 126,000 ko na token na yan, sabi ni Sir Marili sa mga tao, huwag kayo magtinda kasi bibigyan kayo ng reward. So, ang reward na binibigay niya is stocks ng company. Nagbibigay siya ng $200 million worth of free stocks ng company. So, I'm gonna give you example how that works. So, yung 124,000 ko, kasi ang 126,000, i-multiply ko sa times 10% kasi bibigay sa atin ng company na stocks. So that means I have 12,600 worth of stocks sa company. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko ngayon, i-multiply ko kasi ang worth ng stocks is $25. So right now, by owning 126,000 worth of token, I will get 12,600 kasi times 10% is 12,600. Ngayon, i-multiply ko sa 25 kasi that is the value of the, right now, is $25. So that means, ang company, binigyan ako, out of my 126,000 worth of token, binigyan ako ng company ng stocks, na free stocks, na pwede ko itinda once to go public, worth $315,000. So, i-click ko yung $315,000 plus yung ko, 126,000 ko. That means, yung $24,000 ko nabili na stocks, is, pag once we go public, is now worth 441,000 ang token ko. So, this can be, yung stocks na yan, 25,000 na DT Circle, stocks ng buong company, may choice ako, either I keep it, or I convert it to token. If I convert it to token, that means I have $441,000 in worth of token. That's a lot of money, right? Times 56. That's when I
Ma'am, I have a question.
uh,
I'm Lori.
mm,
Yung token, what's the difference between a token or a coin or a crypto? And fiat, of course, fiat is our own money. Can we convert the token later on to our own money? Like,
so yeah, of course,
change it to
so
peso?
once we go public, token becomes like security that people can buy, that can buy and sell, can trade. So at saka also because we own it, we can sell it. Para kang tinda ng sarili mong stocks, like you buy Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, na nabili mo na mura. Once they go public, you can naging public trade na company, then you can turn into money.
So, hindi siya magiging crypto? Unless the community among us, our own community, I don't know kung tama itong interpretation ko kasi nako-confuse ako, what's a coin, what's a token, and what is a crypto.
Actually,
and then, sabi nila, once it goes to the market cap, it's a legit token, it becomes a crypto. Parang ganun tipo.
I think that's going to happen. Ang alam ko kasi yung ating my token is going to become a security token. So it's going to be available sa mga exchanges, you can sell it. So let me just double check that Ate Beng. I just want to make sure that I'm telling you the right thing. Kasi ang alam ko lang my token is going to become, kasi ang alam ko kasi ang ating utility token is a utility token.
Oo, kasi ang
when you say utility token, Ate, we use this for services. So hindi ko lang alam kung magiging converted siya sa crypto. I'm not so sure. Let me just double check. Once I find out, I'll let you guys know. Pero sa ngayon, ang ating token ginagamit as utility. Ang bayad sa sa form of money. So yung yan sa. So yung yung may mga hawak ng token. Actually, right now, our token is worth a lot of money. It's only one of my token. I have a lot of tokens. I bought one time, I bought $24,000 of token. Nag-promo sila that day. Ang 24 ko naging 36,000. So I have 159,000 worth of token. I-multiply mo times 10% na binibigyan ng stocks ng company. Plus yung so I can tell you that other account of mine. So this one account that I bought for 24,000 is now worth 24,696,000. So that's in US. That's a lot of money. In Philippines, 24,000, right? I only paid 24,000. I only bought it like for almost 1.6 million. Now it's worth 24 million. So the other one that I bought for 24,000, nagiging 36,000. That's 159,000 tokens. Kung bibigyan ako ng 10% ng company, that's 15,900 times 25. So I have 397,000. That particular step plus 59,000. So that 24,000 that I bought from the other one that they had a promo, at 24 ko naging 36. Right now it's worth 556,000. My token, because the company gave me additional token or 10% ng company. So it would be 556 times 56. So my other account is like $31 million a piso, 164,000. That's 20,000 million. So that two accounts of mine, I have like 56,164,000. Just the two account. That's not including my 30% from my that I'm doing the business. That's only from the token that I bought. So to answer to your question, Ate Priscilla, even if I don't do the business today, I still own a lot of stocks and shares in the company because I own token. So the same thing for people who doesn't do the business. If they own a lot of token, they can still make a lot of money. Because even if I don't do anything, every year I participate in the profit that you take token. Whoever hold the most token here in the US, the people who owns the most token is me, and my friend Ron, the American, he's a millionaire. So he put in like $400,000 for the company. So he owns a lot of token. So whoever owns the most token, wala na makabili ngayon sa Pilipinas. But whoever owns the most token gets the most profit or profit sharing
So-
every year.
So what you're saying, Ms. Lori, is just to recap, para klarong-klaro. When you purchase itong Maya token, and then that allows you to be already a shareholder or a stockholder of the company.
Mhm.
Plus, if you do the business, there will be additional shares because the commission is split into 70% cash and
Mhm.
30% stocks.
Yes.
So if you don't sell your tokens, you will again participate in the dividends of the company.
Correct.
Right. So I would just like to also acknowledge Jovi and thank you, Jovi, for helping me and my downlines in the past for those USDT transactions. Thank you for that. So yun lang. I think
Mm.
Jovi's here, so gusto ko rin siyang pasalamatan
Of course.
dahil
Of course.
tinulungan din naman niya ako.
Yes. Yeah, thank you, Joby. I always grateful for Joby because tutulungan niya mga tao kahit hindi niya tao. So it's really good.
Yes.
Thank you,
We're
Joby.
not, we're not under her, pero
Yeah, yeah.
she is kind enough to really
Correct.
help us with the
Correct.
transactions. And
Yes.
I also understand them kasi syempre naghahabol din lahat sila sa promo.
Mhm.
If get
Yeah.
hold of them, I'm sure they're
So we're getting closer now to the end of the month. If you need to buy my token, buy it now. Put the order. If you want to buy micro unit, put the order now. You have until 10 of October to pay for it.
Ma'am Lori, just for clarification, are
Mm.
tokens also considered as shares of stocks? They are all the same.
Yep. Oh.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm. So right now, lahat tayo sometimes hindi natin ma-appreciate ang bagay na hindi natin nakikita, right? Kasi we are so used of that. Tinda ka, bayad ka agad. We are so used of tinda-tinda, taya-taya, whatever. So minsan hindi natin appreciate ang bagay kasi hindi natin na-hold. Pero this company, once we go public, I'm telling you guys, it's going to change a lot of people's lives. Especially sa mga tao na nagbe-business. They're doing business. Maraming maging multi-millionaire. I'll be multi-millionaire in the US. I might be a billionaire in the Philippines. It's okay. Whatever God gives me, I'm happy.
Thank
Marami-
you. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Pero maraming mababago sa Pilipinas. Kasi, can you imagine that you can build other company, but you will never part of the company. This company is allowing us to be part owner of the company. Part owner of a multi-billion company. That's something that you can be proud of balang araw. Kasi ang legacy natin, may bibigay natin sa ating mga anak, future generation. Company, build ka ng build other company. You cannot build other company. Pwede ka malaga ng 10,000, 25,000 to become a founder of the company. Yes, you can make money, but you'll never part owner of the company. Hi, Ara. Happy Sunday. So that's the only thing that we are different from other country. I mean, sorry, other company. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Ma'am Lori,
tomorrow,
thank you very much, Ma'am Lori.
you're very welcome.
Oo.
So
Thank you,
Maraming
ma'am. Ma'am, kailan
magagandang
kayo punta Pilipinas,
mga
ma'am?
inputs.
I'll let you guys know, but
Ma'am
maybe
Lor,
next time. Yes. Oh,
punta ka dito, humina na ako. Wala nang dapat may big event.
yeah.
Wala nang
We'll
pumasok.
let you know. But you know, I let you know when I'm coming. But right now, you know, we can do a lot of training. Marami tayong mga tao na willing na mag-participate sa training. So wala nang reason why people di nakakaintindi sa ating business. Okay?
Okay po.
So, thank you, Richard. Thank you, Lani. for
Thank you, Mom.
your time.
Yeah. Thank you, Renz Guanzon, for attending.
Pleasure, my pleasure.
Thank
You're
you.
lovely to attend this
Bye.
training.
See you guys tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow.
Thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye.
What time tomorrow, ma'am? What time
Uh,
tomorrow?
8 p.m. your time. Si
Ah,
Sir
okay
Ben
po.
will do the presentation. Okay.
Ah, okay po. Thank you po.
Welcome.
Ma'am, when are
Bye.
you going to California?
So this is my problem, Ate Boylad. Kasi karating lang ng pamangkin ko, and then dapat yung Saturday na ito, sa totoo lang, my sister-in-law is coming from London.
Okay.
She's the CEO of two companies. Kaya ako na-stuck dito kasi dapat ikating ko sa airport kahapon. Ngayon nag-text sa akin kahapon, na-extend ang kanyang flight next Thursday dahil may meron pa siyang meeting. So, kaya dyan ako I cannot move on kasi tingnan mo kung nagbili ako ng ticket tapos wala siya rito pala. Hindi pa pala siya nakarating. I have to pick him up sa airport 2 hours away from my house. Kaya, ito naman masasabi ko, Ate Bing, maybe we can just start doing some, a special presentation for the leaders. Sila lang.
Yeah,
sa
yeah.
Zoom, so that they don't have to wait for me. So I can create that Zoom link sa mga leaders.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Yes.
that is better for me kisa yung they're gonna wait for me. So they don't have to wait for me. Mga leaders nila, we can start talking to them in Zoom. I can do private Zoom.
Okay.
Okay,
Sige, ma'am.
Ate?
Sige, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Good night. Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, Ate Dan.